Hi everyone, I am Narsimha. In this video, we are going to learn assignments of organization structure. As of now, we created company and company code, purchase organization and plant level storage locations. We created complete organization structure, but we didn't link company to company code, company to purchase organization to plant. Nowhere we are not linked. That's the reason we have to assign everything. For assignments also we can link through T code and path. First we have to need assign company to company code, and second one assign purchase organization to company code, then assign purchase organization to plant. After that assign plant to company code. As a consultant you have to do these 4 steps mandatory. I'm telling only for consultant. Consultant has to do these 4 steps mandatory. Otherwise, you can't fulfill your organization structure. That's the reason we have to do this. In this video, we are going to complete these steps. See, first we are going to do assign company to company code. What is the T code? OX16. Don't, for your practice, don't go through T code. Please go through path only, navigation. Then you will be able to understand deeply. Otherwise, T code is okay. It is a shortcut method, but at the learning stage, you have to learn from scratch. That's the reason you have to go navigation only. What is the navigation? What is the path? SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to enter. That's it. Sometimes interviewer ask what is the path company code to company. That's the reason I'm telling you should go through path only. T code you can remember easily T code, but that's the reason you have to go path only. Interviewer also prefer paths only. That's the reason you have to practice through path. Whoever is watching my first time my video, I used to teach SAP. Already I taught complete SAP MM Telugu. If you want to learn SAP, or if you willing to learn SAP end user courses, if you want to learn SAP shortcut methods, please subscribe the channel. Stay with me. Within the 2-3 months, you will be expert in the SAP. That's my guarantee. We'll see the first step. What is the T code? OX16. First, we'll type OX16 here. It is working. It is a ECC version T code. ECC version T codes not working in every time in S4 HANA. That's the reason you have to check. If you are already expert in ECC, if you are learning SAP S4, you have to check. Then only you will get the difference between ECC and SAP. T code is working absolutely fine, but I don't want to create with T code. I want to go through navigation /n SPRO SAP reference IMG. After that, enterprise structure. Earlier we went through define, but now we are going assignments. Why? Because we are assigning each to one company to company code, plant to another thing. That's the reason we have to go assignments. Companies, who will responsible for company, finance team is responsible. That's the reason we have to go finance and accounting. After that, see, assign company code to company, assign company to credit control area, assign business area to credential area, business area. Here 5 steps is there, but I am telling only one thing. Why? Because you are SAP MM consultant, you need only 4 steps only. That's the reason you have to assign. But real time, these all steps should do, but you don't need to do. In real time, your company will hire finance consultant, your SD consultant, PP consultant. Everyone is available. That's the reason you don't need to learn everything. You have to learn only SAP MM related only. That's the reason I'm telling SAP MM related only. Sometimes we are going to learn some SD related, FI related topics, but our ultimate goal is we have to learn SAP MM. Assign company to company code. What I wrote? Assign company to company code. What is this? Assign company to company code. In real time also, FI people will do this assignment. You don't need to do, but for your practice you have to do mandatory here. That's the reason I'm telling. SPRO and company, enter. Then click on new entry, available. Click on position, company code, assign your company code to field area and save. Already we have companies. Click here. You received a company code pop-up. Then you have to enter your company code. What is your company code? That's the reason you have to write everything in Excel. My company code is, what is my company code? SA01. That is the reason you have to write everything in Excel. Click on OK. My company is SA01. What is my city? Hyderabad. Here don't confuse, here showing city. Earlier it is showing company name, but now it is showing city. You have to assign your company code, 6-digit letter. What is my company code? Samrat. You have to enter Samrat here. Then click on, then save it. Company code is assigned. Go back and go back. What is my second step? You have everything in notes. Please go through notes completely. I am not explaining everything. Assign plant to company code. For that T code OX18. First we'll see OX18 is working or not. /n OX18. It is working. But we have to go through path only. SPRO IMG enterprises structure. /n SPRO IMG enterprises structure, assignments. After that logistics general. We are assigning plant to company code. Plant is logistics scope. I explained earlier video also. That's the reason we are went through logistics general. Assign plant to company code. Assign plant to company code. Enter. New entries. How many plants we have? 2 plants. That's the reason we have to assign company code to 2 plants. What is our company code? SA01. Enter SA01. You will get everything, description and everything. SA01. What is the company name? Samrat Enterprises, Hyderabad. Currency is INR. Select SA01 again. Why? Because I have 2 plants. If you have 10 plants, you have to enter 10 times. Then SAHY. Samrat Enterprises, Hyderabad. It's showing everything. After that SAMI. Samrat Enterprises, Mumbai. Click on enter. Just click on save. Otherwise you can use keyboard Control S. Save. Otherwise this symbol is save symbol. You can click on this symbol also. Go back and go back. What is the final step? 4th step, assign purchase organization to plant. T code is OX17. Check from your side it is working or not. Then we will go to path only. What is the path? SPRO IMG enterprise structure, assignment, material management, assignment, assign purchase organization to plant. Just I went one step back. Assign purchase organization to plant. Click on this. Click on new entry. After that you have to give your purchase organization /1. Use this scroll button. I have to enter my plant. What is my plant? SAHY. It is showing drop down, and MI. Then click on enter in your keyboard. Then save it. You will get this kind of request number. Just save it. Assignments is completed. As of now, we created complete organization structure and we did assignments also. But we are also practicing. We did right or not. How to check whether if we did wrong, how could we find out? For that you have to go through T code /n EC02. Then structure. Click on navigation. Click on continue. Control F. You have to enter your company code. What is my company code? SA01. Or else you can enter plant also. Sometimes it's work for company code, sometimes it's work for plant. You can enter any plant. SA01 is not working. What I will do? I'll enter my plant. SAH5. Or else I can enter my second plant also. If you have 10 plants, you can enter any one plant. SAH5 is Samrat. Click on, double click on this. Again, it double click on this. See, it is my Samrat Enterprises Hyderabad. You have to expand it. Click on plus symbols. You will get all interlinks. See, if you clearly observe, what I searched through my plant one. My plant one company code is SA Enterprises India. See, it is line, it is showing here purchase organization. In that company, 2 plants is there. What is the plant? Mumbai. If you click on Mumbai, you will get Mumbai details. Enterprises, purchase org, everything it is showing. It means we did everything properly. You have to check 100%. If something is missing, you missed something. You have to do cross check. Otherwise, you will get lot of errors in your future practice. Hope this video is useful for you. If you are willing to learn SAP, this video is worthful for you. Subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and share this video who is willing to learn SAP. And I'm in the next video, I'm going to explain master datas. We have a different master datas. You can see in the notes, material master data, vendor master data, purchase info record, source list, quota arrangement list, conditional master data. I am going to explain everything. We will start with material master data, then we will go to vendor master, then after that our requirement we will do. You can do serial wise or else you can do your wish also. It is not a matter. If you want to learn everything, please subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, stay with me. That is my guarantee. You will be expert in within the 3 to 4 months. For that, you have to watch every video, you have to practice, you have to buy server from the outside. Lot of people asking for server, but I am not providing anything. I am not providing any private classes. Just I want to teach, I want to educate people who is not spend money. If you want to spend money, lot of institute available in the market. Please go through institutes. Someone providing good subject, someone is not providing. Please search your network and found one best institute. I can't suggest any institute. I can't suggest anything. If you want to learn free, if you want to learn properly, please go through my channel only. I'm providing notes, Excel file, real-time examples. You have to buy server only. It is hardly 2000, 3000 rupees per 6 months, 1 year. Hope this video is useful for you. This is, if you feel it is a worthful for you, please subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, share this video with your friends who is willing to learn SAP. Thanks for watching.